What I wish I knew at 10 instead of 20. Capybaras are the ultimate swimming champs. These adorable giant rodents come with a secret weapon, webbed feet. That's right, capybaras have slightly webbed feet that make them amazing swimmers. They paddle through water like pros and can even walk across muddy riverbanks without a hitch. Imagine seeing a capybara gliding through the water, looking all chill. It's like they're the James Bond of the animal world, cool, calm and collected. So next time you're looking for swimming inspiration, think capybaras. Because when it comes to water, these guys are the real MVPs. Stay cool, stay curious and keep loving those capybaras.